Your dog loves you unconditionally every single day, without fail, without keeping score, without ever asking you to be better than you managed to be. But here's the question nobody asks. Does your dog actually feel loved by you? Because those are two completely different things. Your dog does not feel love through your intentions. They feel it through what you do, the specific moments, the specific actions, the things that happen or do not happen every ordinary day. And most owners who love their dogs deeply are still missing some of them every single day. This video changes that. Stay until 6. It costs nothing, and your dog has been waiting for it. Number 1, get down to their level. Think about what the world looks like from your dog's perspective. Everything is big. You are big. The furniture is big. Even a simple conversation means your dog is always looking up, always in the position of someone smaller, someone who has to reach for connection rather than receive it at eye level. Research into canine stress responses has found that dogs show measurably lower anxiety when their owner physically lowers themselves, sits on the floor, crouches down, comes to their level, compared to standing over them. The body language of coming down communicates something in a language older than words. I am not above you. I am with you. It takes 10 seconds. You sit on the floor next to your dog. You let them come to you at the level where everything feels equal. And something in them, something that has been waiting quietly for exactly this, settles completely. Get on the floor with your dog today. Not for a training session, not for a game, just to be there, at their level, in their world. They will feel it in a way they never forget. Number 2, learn their language and speak it back. Your dog has been speaking to you every single day of their life, with their tail, with their ears, with the specific way they position their body when something feels uncertain, with the look they give you when they need something they have no words for. Most owners catch the loud signals: food, walk, excitement. But the quiet ones get missed every day. The slow blink that means, I am completely at peace. The soft yawn that says, I am a little overwhelmed right now. The way their whole body turns toward you in a room full of strangers. Those signals are real, and they are meant for you. When you start responding, blink back slowly. Lean into their lean. Something changes between you. They realize you are actually listening. And for a dog, being truly seen by the person they love most is one of the deepest things they will ever feel. Number 3, give them a walk that is actually for them. You walk your dog every day, maybe twice, maybe more. But here's the question nobody thinks to ask. Who is that walk actually for? If you are moving at your pace, on your route, phone in hand, mind somewhere else entirely, your dog is getting exercise, but they are not getting what a walk is supposed to give them. Dogs experience the world almost entirely through scent. Their nose contains up to 300 million receptors compared to your 6 million. A single lamppost tells your dog more about the neighborhood than you could learn in a week of observation. Every smell is a story. Every scent trail is a world opening up in real time. When you stop, when you let them sniff for as long as they need, when you follow their nose instead of your route, you are not wasting time. You are giving them one of the greatest gifts in their world. A walk that says, today, this is yours. Research confirms it. Dogs allowed to sniff freely show significantly lower cortisol and greater contentment for hours afterward. One slow walk does more than 3 fast ones. If this is changing how you see your daily walk, Hit subscribe. This channel is built on what your dog actually needs every single time. Number 4, talk to them more than you think you should. Your dog does not understand every word you say, but they understand far more than most people give them credit for. Research has confirmed that dogs process human speech using both hemispheres of their brain, the right for tone and emotion, the left for the words themselves. They recognize the specific music of your voice. They know the difference between the voice you use for strangers and the voice you use only for them. That voice, the one that is softer and higher and completely unself-conscious, your dog has been listening for it their entire life. Talk to your dog about your day. Narrate what you are doing. Tell them what you are thinking about. Say their name just because you want to. Every time your voice reaches them in that specific way, something in their brain lights up. The reward center activates. The bonding hormone releases. You are not talking to yourself. You are filling the air between you with the sound that means safety and love and home to the one creature on earth who will never grow tired of hearing it. Number 5, create one moment of pure stillness together every day. Not a walk, not play, not training, just stillness. 5 minutes, phone down, screens off. You and your dog in the same space, both of you breathing, neither of you needing to do anything or be anywhere. Studies into the physiological effects of human-dog bonding have found that periods of calm, shared proximity, where neither party is asking anything of the other, produce the highest and most sustained rises in oxytocin in both species. More than play, more than exercise, more than any active interaction. The stillness is where the bond lives. Your dog does not need you to perform love for them. They do not need grand gestures or expensive treats or elaborate routines. They need you present, still, completely there, for just a few minutes each day where the whole world shrinks down to the two of you in a quiet room. That is the thing they will carry with them into every room you are not in. Number 6, say goodbye like it matters, because to them, it does. This is the one that costs nothing. Every morning, every time you leave, every departure that feels routine and forgettable to you. To your dog, it is everything. Stop before you go tomorrow. Crouch down, look at them, say something, anything, because every goodbye is a small act of trust. They are letting you leave again, believing completely that you will come back. Honor that trust. 6 simple things, non-expensive, non-complicated. All of them within reach today. Your dog has loved you without condition since the very first day. Now you know how to love them back. If this video moved you, like it, share it with someone who has a dog, and subscribe, because your dog has so much more they have been trying to tell you.